Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic website widget, and you will get all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So the live chat widget, our easy website builder with marketing automation feature, a customizable live chat widget that allow you to add popular messengers to engage customer with the chat on your site and store. If you want to add the new widget to your website, you just need to click on the add new widget. You can also customize the widget design and layout also. So this is the page. You can connect the channel here. You can add the additional channels. You can also add the CRM form. You can arrange the auto welcome message, and just you need to click on the save option and the widget is created. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.